As you can see, I'm sitting here in direct sunlight, and actually that's not great for your poppies. So with your poppies, you are going to avoid direct sun. You're going to avoid water completely. You are also, as needed, going to apply a dry paintbrush to your poppies if they get dusty at all. And probably you would want to use a thicker brush than this, but my brushes are inside the house. Anyway, at any point you can rearrange your poppies. So you can kink them again. That's why they're on wires. You can experiment with different vases. I think maybe I'll try this one today. Let's see what kind of arrangement I can make. We're going to have a lot of ambient noise here. Another good thing to do with your poppies is to spray them with UV spray. So hang on, let me go grab the UV spray. Manufacturer is Krylon. And by the way, I don't get affiliate links. This is just the brand that I use. And it is about 10 bucks on that large retailer that starts with A. And you're gonna put it on outside because it smells kind of like hairspray. It's not great, but it will really protect your paper flowers. Another thing that you can do with your paper flowers is, let's see, you can put them in a frame. So recently I got a frame from a thrift store and I put a lot of poppies in them, and it looked great. So that's gonna go right here. Have a look at my framed Icelandic and Himalayan poppy sort of vertical arrangement. I'm not sure what to call it exactly. So finally, if you notice that the colors on your poppies are not what you like anymore, absolutely you can restore them with watercolor paint. So you're going to use alcohol markers. You're going to use a very light touch, and you can paint them with watercolors, and that will work well to restore the color. Thank you so much for sticking with me for my first video class series on paper flowers. Please do leave me some feedback, like, share, subscribe, and you'll get our next class project with Craft Along with Kate. Have a great day.